Nau mai ki whakamiere. Nau mai ki whakamiere. Welcome to Whakamiere, our podcast where we share reo Māori translations of stories. Today's Paki Poto is Te Rēpara me Te Pōkiha by Aesop. There are two kupu hou in our kōrero. The first is koro tifa tifa, which means spots or to be spotted. Anei te tauira. Kua rongo nui te rēpara I o nā koro tifa tifa. The leopard is famous for its spots. The second kupu is purotu, and it means handsome or beautiful. He purotu tana hoa rangatira. Their partner is beautiful. A common hapa I see is people adding a tohu tō to purotu on the pū, making it purotu. This is your friendly reminder that this is not an alternate spelling, it's just wrong. Ka rare mai o taringa, listen out for these kupu hou in the kōrero. Ka hānā nā te noho, whakarongo mai e hoa mā. Te rēpara me te Pōkiha, nā Aesop. I tētahi rangi, ka kaha tā te rēpara kōrero, e rongo hoki ai te Pōkiha, mō te ātāhua o ōna kiri koro tifa tifa. Kātahi, ka mea atu te Pōkiha, ahakoa tōna ātāhua, hei tāna kua purotu ke ake ia. Nō te tinana tō ātāhuatanga, te kupu a te Pōkiha. Nō te hinengaro ke tōku purotutanga. Ko te kiko o te kōrero, he kiri moko noa iho te ātāhua. The Leopard and the Fox by Aesop. The leopard one day, within earshot of the fox, was very loud in the praise of his own beautifully spotted skin. The fox thereupon told him that, handsome as he might be, he considered that he himself was yet a great deal handsomer. Your beauty is of the body, said the fox. Mine is of the mind. The moral being, beauty is skin deep. Tēnā rawa atu koe I tāu whakarongo mai. Thank you so much for listening to Whakamiere. If you're looking for a way to support Whakamiere, you can now purchase digital copies of all the stories from every one of our Paki Waitara episodes without needing to subscribe. Simply visit the Whakamiere Patreon page and head over to the shop tab. You'll find all of our Paki Waitara there. If you've enjoyed what you've been listening to and want to show your tautoko in a non-pūtau way, please consider leaving a like and a review on your podcast app. It makes a big difference. A big mihi also goes out to our Patreon supporters without whom this podcast could not be ad-free. If you have friends in whānau who would like our kaupapa, please share it with them as well. Head on over to patreon.com/whakamiere to learn about our subscriptions starting at just $6 and to join our whānau while you're there. You can also follow us on Instagram. If you'd like to get in touch with us about the podcast, you can email whakamiere@gmail.com. Ko Taurapa e mihi nui ana, hei a kua nei e hoa mā.